Hey there! Today we are going to embark on a delicious seafood dish, clams and vegetable soup. Get ready to cook with me. In a big pan or a pot over medium heat, oil your pan and sauté sliced onion. Next, add 8 cloves of crushed garlic. Add to sliced medium-sized tomatoes. Thinly slice some fresh ginger. For this soup recipe, we're going with assortment vegetables you love. If you want to add more vegetables, feel free to do so. You can certainly use all the vegetables that are used for this recipe. They are a perfect combination. Tell me what country you're watching this video from, so I can thank you for watching our videos. Big shout out to Ronnie Z from France and Philip Christian de Fiesta from the Philippines. You can now add 4½ cups water. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Also add 1 teaspoon dried basil and 2 teaspoons dried chives. 5 bay leaves for more aromatic flavor. If you enjoy this recipe and want more yummy recipes, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe for more delicious content. Bring into a rapid boil for about 5 minutes. Then add some cabbage. Don't forget your sweet peppers for yummy flavor. Taste it to see if you need more salt. Once they start turning tender but still retain their crunchiness, it's time for the show. Let's add the clams. Let them cook until they open up nicely. Don't overcook them so they don't get tough. To complete this amazing recipe, finish it up with fresh squeezed lemon juice. Our clam soup is ready to eat. Serve it hot with some bread or serve it over rice.